cookies the other day. Big fan of cookies, not a big baker myself, but my daughter was home from school for snow day, so we thought, what the heck, we'll give it a go. Anyway, they were just about edible. Definitely not the best cookies I've ever had. And it got me thinking, like, where did we go wrong? How did I mess this up? And then I realized when I was searching for a recipe, I literally Googled the simplest, most basic, easiest chocolate chip cookie recipe on the internet. And just like with anything, you get what you put in. So I made this recipe, I think from start to finish, like mixing the ingredients until we're actually eating them was probably like 15 minutes. So super easy, but also the quality reflected that. And it got me thinking about how people are always talking about different affiliate marketing courses or different online business courses, and how some of them are like $5, $7, other ones are like $2,000, $5,000. And why is there such a difference? And it comes down again to what you are looking to get out of this. So if you are looking for a really good cookie, you might put in more effort making it and finding the ingredients and actually bringing the butter to room temperature, if that's a thing, I don't know. If you're looking for an introductory course, then finding that basic training is probably perfect for you. But if you're looking for something more advanced, maybe you're looking to scale your already happening business, you're gonna wanna pay for more in-depth training and for better support, better coaching, better mentorship.